Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that finally gold is out of the range. We were a little frustrated because gold was inside the range for quite some time, and gold was making us all nervous because it was testing the support around 327060 again and again, and we were waiting for a breakdown. And yes, finally we have the breakdown. Gold is heading down, and we can see that it is right now trading around 322524 area. So you can clearly see the selling pressure is good enough. So if you have any sell on gold right now, you can hold your sell position, because the correction we all have been waiting for a long time is on the chart right now. Because if you look at the weekly chart, you can see that there was no proper correction. Okay, finally, okay, market is showing good correction right now. Strong price rejection from above, and you can see the market is from a big red candle. Hope this correction will continue. It will be good for traders for a normal functioning of the market as well. Okay, now again repeating, if you have any sell on gold right now, you can hold your sell position. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, obviously it will be better for us to be on the sell side only. But if you're a positional trader, means you hold trades for months and years, then obviously buy at dip or buy at retracement is the only trading strategy you should follow, because fundamental goal is always bullish. In the long run, goal is always bullish. So earlier also we have discussed that if you are a positional trader, then you should be looking for a buy at retracement around 3160 3130 area. This opportunity for positional traders, okay, is still very much valid, because once market will hit 3160 3130 area, the previous resistance, this you can see this previous resistance will be working as support here. And moreover, we also have the FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So for position traders, this can be a good dip, good retracement level where we can look for a buy position. And for swing traders and day traders, obviously things are a little bit different, especially for day traders, because day traders need to go with the flow. For example, a couple of days ago, we were super bullish. We were only buying at retracement. But right now we can see that sellers are dominating. So we need to be flexible and switch sides again. We need to look for sell opportunities right now. Okay. So here you can see that market, okay, market came to our support around 3231. Remember, market came to us our support from 3231. Yes, market came to a support on 3231 and bounced also. But as the selling pressure was high, okay, the bounce was not proper. You can see after hitting the support level, market made a high of 3250. Okay, so here you can expect that if market continues the downside, yes, market will hit our second support around 3195, 3200. Okay, this support is still very much valid, but do not expect a complete trend reversal. If market takes support, you can expect a bounce of 100 pips. After 100 pips, okay, observe the market. If you see the market is going up, okay, set break even and just trail your stop loss. Or okay, yeah, trail your stop loss. That will be a better thing to do. But I do not think that market will be going for a trend reversal. The trend of the market will change. But as a day trader, yes, you can expect for a good bounce or a minor bounce around 3195, 3200 area. Remember what was the reason logic? Those who have watched my previous videos, you must remember, yes, we have a support around this area. And we discuss about 3231 area because of previous, remember, previous resistance working as support. Okay, so these are the levels where we can look for a buy position. And you can see the last dotted line, okay, is also good support, where both positional traders, swing traders, day traders can look for a buy. But position traders, okay, this should be your level where you can look for a buy position. But keep in okay, obviously use your common sense and keep in touch with the news as well, because globally things are not very stable right now. And if you look at the present market sentiment, you can see gold extend losses for 30. Gold fell below 3250 per ounce on Thursday, marking its third consecutive session of losses as easing trade tensions, particularly between not particularly, particularly between the US and China curb demand for a haven. So the trade tension, okay, the trade war threat is easy. That's why we can see that gold is going down. Gold was super bullish because of the trade war tension, isn't it? So as the tension is easing, so gold is going down. So let's go with the flow. Okay, and if gold goes up from here, okay, if gold goes up from here, then our 3260, 3270, the previous support will become the new resistance. Remember, this was the very strong support for the last few days. Yes, this same support will become the new resistance. When market will enter the zone, observe the market, hopefully we will get to see some price rejection from above, and we can look for a sell position. Okay, and if market goes up, then we have another selling opportunity around 3287 and 3297, 320. Okay, let me write it down. Okay, the next selling will be around 3287 and then 3297 to 3300. Okay, these are the other levels where we can look for a sell position if market goes up. Chances of market going to 3297, 3300 is very less, but still gold is full of surprises, so we should know where we can look for a sell. So these are the selling opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell position. And we are considering 3287 area because you can see we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level. And we are considering 3300, it's a round number psychological level. And if we are changing sides, you can see okay, this is also a FIBO level. Okay, so let's not get into complications. Okay, so these are the resistances where we can look for a sell opportunity if market goes up. Okay, but do not trade blindly. Okay, trading is not gambling. So if you observe that market is showing prices action from above, then only hit the sell button. And as I said, okay, we have support zones around this area, but keep in mind, okay, if the selling pressure is very high, okay, then obviously you should avoid buying and you should continue with your sell position because no level is permanent in the market, but our capital is limited. We are traders, not gamblers. And my dear friends, there are lots of scams going on in my name. Probably you guys already know. For example, the Trader Next Door group. Okay, it's a scam in my name. Stay away from these groups. All the groups in my name, like the Trader Next Door 1, 2. Okay, all these are scams. They have some scam investment opportunities. Please do not be a victim. This is the only official community that we have. Okay, the link will be in the description or on the screen. Okay, so be careful. Okay, there are lots of scams going on right now. And that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Market is a little volatile, so please be careful. And this is NFP week. Okay, NFP week is usually a crazy week. Okay, lots of news. Okay, but yes, the real news is coming tomorrow. The NFP. But for the last couple of months, okay, NFP have been disappointing. Let's see how does the market work. But as of now, okay, be careful and stick to the levels and do not gamble.